Hello everyone! So I want to see what's new at Michael's and I thought I'd take you with me today. So there are a few sales, it looks like. Buy one, get one free, or 50% off. I wanted to just let you know that I found these giant packs of glitter from at Dollarama for $4 and quite similar to the smaller packages you see here. Now these are Martha Stewart and the Recollections brand from Michael's, but what a great value for chunky glitter at Dollarama. These are the little mini chairs for the elf. It looks like it's just other craft goodies in here, but the main thing would be the little chair, I guess. I'll head in over to the other side of the store where all their new floral and garden things are coming out. So, and these are all on sale as well. These are cute if you have a birthday party theme or something, a wedding. You can use this stuff as well for like a little candy bar setup. I'm actually really surprised that these are like with new fairy themed items. So cute. Every year they come out with new things. If you look at previous videos from last year, you'll see that a lot of these little houses, the little fairy items, are brand new. They're not just a replica of what was out last year. So cute. They're finally like really focusing on the navy blues and the whites, so it matched some of my home decor. I am so excited to see some of these colors. This is so beautiful. It's a candle, however, it's a little bit too pricey for my liking. Oh, I really like the beading, how they've done the wood beads on here. Very cute. I'm really liking their displays right now. This is so beautiful, the items that they have out. These floral, like tiny little foam beads are really similar to the Dollar Tree ones. However, of course, the colors are a little bit different. They're more purpley at Dollar Tree, but purple's really in. So look at this. Can really come up with a really, oh my gosh, look at that wreath. You can do something with Dollar Tree items to make that one. Our Valentine's decor is being put out, but it's very limited. Like, you only have these little sections here. So this is a bit of a sneak peek of what's coming. I'm sure we'll have more. And of course, their focus right now is, I think, organization. So you'll see a little bit more organization and stuff through the store. Look at these, but I think they're everyday value, right? These are brand new to me. I'm going to flip through them to share them with you. But I'm wondering, do you think I could use a coupon on these? I think they're everyday. It says pop by, and I think that's typically an everyday value item. If anyone knows, let me know down below. These are right up my alley. You guys know how much I love stickers. Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. Which one's your favorite that I flipped through? So stinking cute, all of the books. Okay, there's also little cards on the side here. I'm just gonna film this side here for you. They're like a hard card stock tag type thing. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, so I want to say bye. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.